Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print column heading on each page in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my data in Microsoft Excel, and first of all we need to go to the page layout tab, and then we're going to go to the print titles. And here you're going to select rows to repeat at top, and you're going to select the heading. This is my heading, and I just need to click on this row, and then we can click on enter. Okay, then click on print preview. Okay, and wait, I'm going to change the orientation to landscape. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the next page. As you can see that the heading is here, even though I move to the next page. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.